I have been with the firm for 2 years, starting as a senior and progressing to assistant manager in the tax team. In my role, I work closely with managers and directors on corporate, individual, and GST tax matters, and I'm also involved in tax advisory, especially around private wealth and asset management. Over time, I've come to see tax not just as compliance work, but as an essential part of the client's broader business strategy. Effective tax planning can make a real difference to a business's success, whether it's helping them manage cash flow, make informed investment decisions, or structure transactions efficiently. I've learned that tax advice is most impactful when it's strategic, practical, and forward-looking, not just technically correct, because it allows clients to achieve their business goals while staying compliant. During peak periods, the team really works together as one. Those with capacity are willing to step in and assist where needed or take on prospective engagements. Directors help keep morale high and are always appreciative of our efforts. We're also very supportive when it comes to claiming off in lieu for overtime hours. These requests are generally approved without any pushback. Overall, there's a lot of room for personal growth and mentorship here. The company supports our development by sponsoring courses like income tax or GST training conducted by IRAS, and our team runs regular training sessions so that we can learn and grow together. We have a buddy system to learn from colleagues and an immediate supervisor who acts as a mentor, and a coach from a different team who guides us through our career. On top of that, there's a clear path for promotion, and CLA Global TS actively supports us in achieving it. Expect a steep but rewarding learning curve. You'll need strong attention to detail, resilience under pressure, and a willingness to keep learning. Strong communication skills are crucial too. You need to be able to explain complex ideas clearly and effectively. On top of that, high work ethic is important because the role can be very demanding in terms of time and commitment. When it comes to tax, it can be as engaging or as routine as you make it. If you're willing to learn and really grasp the concept, you'll find that it gives you a much deeper understanding of how the business world works. It's a fast evolving field, so you'll never stop learning. Join CLA Global TS!